Good morning friends. Today let's see how to represent simultaneous equations by graphical method. So before this we have seen how to represent equations via substitution method, then elimination method, determinants using determinants or Cramer's rule, and this is the fourth method, that is graphical method. Now these two are linear equations. We have x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus y equal to 2s2 equations. Now what to do is, first step is you have to find the ordered pairs. So you should find ordered pair. Now what do you mean by ordered pair? For example, find the values of x and y which will satisfy this equation. Like x plus y is 4. So what should be the value of x and y? It can be 1 and 3 because 1 plus 3 will be 4. For example, I am giving you 1, 3. So x coordinate will be 1, y coordinate will be 3. So these two are going to satisfy this equation. So this is one ordered pair for this equation. Now, first step is find like this at least 4 ordered pairs. Now, what's the use of finding ordered pair? With the help of these ordered pairs, we are going to represent a line on a graph. Now, see, one ordered pair will represent one point on a graph. Because if you put one point on a graph, then it will have some x coordinate and some y coordinate. So, for a point to represent, you need one x and one y coordinate. So, like this, if you find 4 ordered pairs, you will get 4 points for this line. And then with the help of, for this equation with the help of this ordered pairs and 4 points, we will be able to draw one line. Similarly, do for this, find 4 ordered pairs, you will get 4 points. Draw another line which will represent this equation. Now, both the lines will be on the same graph paper and somewhere they will intersect. That point of intersection is nothing but solution of this two equations, simultaneous equations. So, it's very interesting. Let us see one by one. So, first we will take first equation. X plus y is equal to 4. For this we will first find out ordered pairs. So let us find the ordered pairs for this. So you have x, y, x, comma, y. So if x value is 1, so I am putting here 1 plus y is equal to 4. So what will be y? Y will be 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. So we got 3 for y. So our first ordered pair is 1, 3. Now second, let us write x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0 plus y, that will give me 4. So y will be automatically equal to 4. So when x is 0, y will be 4. So you got 0, 4. Now let us take some negative value. If I write y, now let's take y, okay. If I take y as minus 1. So if y is minus 1, I will get x plus minus 1 is equal to 4. Alright. So what I will have? Plus into minus will be minus. X minus 1 is equal to 4. I have opened the bracket. I will get x is equal to 4. This 1 will go at that side. It will have 4 plus 1. X will be equal to 5. So when y is equal to minus 1, you first write that y is minus 1. Listen again. It is very essential that you write the coordinate over here first which you are taking, so that what you are getting at the last will come over here. And then write the ordered pair first with x coordinate and then with y coordinate. Okay, let's move on. Now let me take x as minus. I have taken already y as minus 1. Okay, we'll try with some other value now. Shall I take x is equal to 2? So if I am taking this as 2 plus y will be equal to 4. So automatically y will be, so I have taken x as 2. So first put it 2. Now y will be equal to 4 minus 2 again, which will be equal to 2. So you got 4 ordered pairs. So let us write all these ordered pairs one by one. So I am writing this ordered pairs with the help of another pen. So I have 1 comma 3 first ordered pair, then I have 0 comma 4, then I have 5 comma minus 1, and then I have 2 comma 2. This is true for this equation. Let's do the same thing for second equation quickly now. So now second equation is what? 2x minus y is equal to 2. So first let us find the ordered pairs. So we have x, y, and below we'll have xy. So we have at least 4 points we need. It is not mandatory how many ordered pairs you should get, but for a line 2 points are also enough. But to be more specific and accurate, it is better you at least plot 3 to 4 points. Okay, let's start. Now see, there is another way. Here I have substituted directly x and then I got the equation. Equation was very simple. Another way is, see students, if I write 2x minus y is equal to 2, then you find what is the value of y. What will be y? 2x. Take this to this side, it will be minus 2 will be equal to y. So you will get directly y value after you put whatever is the x value. Alright, this is another way, or you write the equation and directly put the values over here. Okay, now let us suppose x is equal to, for example, we'll take x as minus 1. So I have put x as minus 1. First write this. Now put here 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to y. So what I'll get, y is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 I'll get minus 4. So y will be equal to minus 4. Okay, so I have minus 1 comma minus 4. Now next I'm keeping y as it is and I'm changing x value now. Okay. Now we have taken already x is equal to minus 1. Now let us take x is equal to 3. So I am writing here x is equal to 3. So if I put x is equal to 3, I have 2 into 3 minus 2 will be equal to y. So 2 3s are 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4, which will be equal to y. So I got y is equal to 4 now. So when x is 3, y will be equal to 4. So I have here 3 comma 4. Alright. Okay. Next we'll put x is equal to 2 now. Or we'll take some another value. We'll take x is equal to plus 1 we can take. So x is plus 1. So if x is plus 1, let us say 2 into 1 minus 2 will be equal to y. So 2 1s are 2 minus 2 will be equal to y. So y will be equal to 0. So when x is 1, y will be equal to 0. So we have 1 comma 0. Now let's try with x value as 0 now. I am putting x equal to 0. Now I am putting here 2 into 0. Minus 2 will be equal to y. So 2 zeros are 0, minus 2 will be equal to y, and therefore y will be equal to minus 2. So when I have x as 0, y is coming as minus 2. So my coordinates are 0, minus 2. Now let us write this quickly again. So coordinates I am writing again with red over here. So what coordinates I got for this? Minus 1 comma minus 4. Then we have 3 comma 4. Then we have 1 comma 0. And then we have 0 comma minus 2. Okay. So all of these 4 coordinates four ordered pairs over here and 4 ordered pairs over here. Now this 4 ordered pairs will give us 4 points through which we will draw a line which will be representing this equation. With these 4 ordered pairs, we'll draw another line which will represent this equation. Now let us do that on the graph paper. Students, I would like to tell you, GeoGebra is a very good website for drawing the graphs. As you change the equations, the lines also change and you will come to know what are the intersection points. So that of course you can see, but in exam we have to draw manually. So I thought of representing it along with the graph paper itself. So let's see on the graph paper now. So this is a graph paper. I'm putting it over here. And let's represent this points with the help of this graph paper and draw the line. Let me zoom it for you so it will be more clear. I hope it's clear now, quite visible. Let's plot the points now. I know ordered pairs are not visible to you, so I am just reading it and we'll plot the points accordingly. So first is 1, 3. For equation x plus y equal to 4, first ordered pair is 1, 3. That means x-axis 1 and y coordinate 3. So first point will be over here. Second is 0, 4. So 0 and y coordinate will be 4. So 0, 4 is this. Then we have 5, minus 1. X-axis 5 and here minus 1. Minus 1 will go over here. Next we have 2, 2. So here 2 and here also 2. So see 1, 2, 3 and 4. These points automatically seems that they seem to be collinear. So let's draw the line which will hold all these points. You can see very clearly all of these points. So they are passing through a single line. Okay, let me draw it with some colorful pen so it will be more visible for you. Okay. Yeah. So this is enough. Okay. Now this equation of this line is what? X plus y equal to 4. Throughout the line you can write anywhere. So I'll write here x plus y is equal to 4. Now let's quickly plot for the second equation, that is 2x minus y equal to 2. Minus 1, minus 4. So here this is minus 1 and you have minus 4. Minus 4 will be here. So you'll get first point somewhere over here. Second is 3, 4. X-axis 3. Y-axis you have 4. Sorry, 4 will be up. So 4 will be over here. 3 and 4. Okay. Then you have 1, 0. X-axis 1. Y-axis 0 is same. This point. 1, 0. Then we have 0, minus 2. That means x-axis is 0 and y-axis is minus 2. That means it will go over here. So which are the 4 points? 1. This is 2. Then we had this is 3 and minus 1, minus 4. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So let's quickly draw a line passing through these points as well. So see, we have this is first, then okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am drawing here this line. Let me make it dark again with the help of sketch pen. Okay, I'm just moving it. So this is another line which I got. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see students, what is important is these two lines are intersecting over here. Okay, this is a point where they intersect. So this point is nothing but the solution of our equation. We have to mark what is x coordinate of this point and what is y coordinate of this point. So if we consider x coordinate of this is 2 and y coordinate of this is also 2. Okay, so your answer will be 2, 2. So your answer of this equation, so you have answer as 2, 2. So this is the solution of your equation. I hope it is quite clear now. Alright. So please try this with other equations as well and see what is the point of intersection. So that's all for today from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.